Welcome to another upgrade video of my Renault TWIZY. This time I would like to show you how I installed the cup holder and sunglasses case. I already had a sunglasses case at home. I attached the self-adhesive Velcro tape to it, as well as on the opposite side below the dashboard. I had to help with the power glue on the case side, because self-adhesive tape on Velcro did not hold anymore after a day. I bought a cup holder on eBay for less than 10. It was designed for layout between seats and center console. To set it up in the TWIZY I did a little rework. I cut the lower part with an angle cutter. In cups I drilled holes, so that water can run out of them when it rains, or when I wash TWIZY with a pressure washer. I used one piece of flat plastic to fix it with a power glue on the back side of the cup holder. Also, here I used Velcro tape to attach it to the side next to the driver's seat. Now I can enjoy peacefully in my morning coffee while driving to work. Thanks for watching this video. I hope I will soon publish other videos about TWIZY upgrades and tweaks. You are also invited to watch my other videos.